which is the name of MOVE, which is the Commission's project for 2023 general elections. Now, this particular event is key because we need to consult with the law enforcement and security agencies that they will ensure access of Nigerians to be able to exercise their right to vote, that will protect Nigerians while they exercise their right to vote, and that will secure the election security, that will secure the democratic process. Because if there is successful democracy, human rights will thrive. Human rights will be respected, there will be peace in the country, and there will be no violation of human rights. So what we are doing today is very, very important to us because we think it's the beginning of the conduct of free and fair elections if the electoral process is secured with respect for human rights. It's a sensitization and consultation process. It will now help to train the law enforcement agents so that while they are going to carry out their duties during the February 25th general elections and March 11th elections, they will carry out the security of the elections in such a way that human rights will be respected. Then we will not have any violence. Then we will have a free and fair elections, and our democracy will be delivered.
My name is CSP Mustafa Aikata. I'm from Kano State Police Command. Yes, it's a nine consultative meeting. We recognize and it is to foster the synergy that we are building up in line with the interagency consultative committee on election security. And it's a furtherance to that effect, was to ensure that the election comes out free and fair. And we police officers, under the able leadership of the Inspector General of Police, Usman Al-Kali Baba, CFR, has ensured the widespread of police officers. And in collaboration with other security agencies, we are very sure that the election is going to come out free because we have almost employment in every nook and crannies all over this country to ensure that there's no violence.
Benedict Teve Yankumi. I'm standing in for my second commandant, and I'm in Zachary FSI, Kano State Commandant, Nigeria Secretary Civil Defense Corps. This consultation for organized the National Human Rights Commission is very beneficial to all the security agencies regarding the forthcoming general elections, which is going to take place by the grace of God on the 25th of February and the 11th of March. Nigeria Security and Civil Defense is going to collaborate fully with all the security agencies, especially the Nigeria Police Force, which is the lead agencies in the forthcoming election, to ensure that it's free and fair. And then all the voters have considered access to exercise their fundamental rights of choosing the right. In doing all this, the Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps personnel are not going to compromise the fundamental human rights of Nigerian citizens. We are going to do all this using the international best practices of policy.
This is a maiden edition of this program, and we are glad that it is the Nigerian Human Rights Commission, it is the National Human Rights Commission that is organizing it. Actually, the law has stated clearly that for an election to be free and fair, the participation of the security agencies is key and vital. And it is only the security agencies that the law has mandated to protect citizens, to ensure that citizens have access to voting arena and to cast their vote to ensure that a free and fair election happens in Nigeria. And there is no doubt from what we have heard today from the presenters and the conglomerate of the security agencies that are gathered here today that we are very sure, we are confident, and we are rest assured that there is, inshallah, by the grace of God, there is going to be a free and fair election in Nigeria 2023 because the security agencies have tightened up their belt. Looking at the hardship in the country, looking at the dilapidated situation we have found ourselves, that has not hindered them to make a commitment to the Nigerian citizens that they are going to ensure that citizens come out on the day of the election to cast their vote, to ensure that Nigeria choose sovereignty, to ensure that the sovereignty that belongs to the people is really, really stamped and ensured that it is not just words, but it is an affirmation that they have taken oath and sworn to ensure. And the security agencies gathered here have made a commitment. We have had a parley that has made us to realize that they are so much committed and they have put so many measures in place that we are going to see a free and fair election. And the National Human Rights Commission has also ensured that every facet of stakeholder that is in this process is well carried along to ensure that we have a consensus addendum in achieving a single and one Nigeria towards ensuring that we have a free and fair election in 2023 that is going to bring out our leaders and ensure that we citizens are also aware that we can have a free and fair election, and to know the situation of the situation that the security agencies, the measures, and all the prerequisites that the law have vested on them to ensure that we have a free and fair election. We are now aware that they are ready for the 2023 general elections. Thank you.